This is question 1 from exercise 15.6 in Project Maths 2. Find the equation of the line containing the given pair of points. And for this particular question, we're given the points 2, 5 and 6, 9. Now, in order to find the equation of a line, we need at least one point on the line, which we have, but we also need the slope of the line, which we weren't given this time, so we've got to work it out. So the first thing we have to do is we've got to get the slope of a line. The slope of a line formula is m equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So we just have to identify what our x1 and y1 are and what our x2 and y2 are. So if we call 2, 5.1, that would mean that is going to be x1, y1. And if we call this point 2, then this is going to be x2, y2. So all we have to do is sub our values into this equation. We can get the slope out for this line. So m is going to be equal to y2 minus y1, which is 9 minus 5, all over x2 minus x1, which is going to be 6 minus 2. Which means m is going to be equal to 9 minus 5 is 4, and 6 minus 2 is also 4. So in this case, m is equal to 1. So now we have our slope of the line. Now we have to go about getting our equation of the line using the slope and one of the points. Now it doesn't matter which point we use, we'll get the same equation in the end either way, but for the sake of this, I'm going to use point 1 here. Our formula for the equation of a line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So let's sub our values in for this. It's going to be y minus 5 equals 1 times x minus 2, like that. Alright, and then from here we're just going to multiply this out and tidy it up. So it's going to be y minus 5 equals x minus 2, which means x minus y minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. So we get x minus y plus 3 equals 0. And that is that.